Hi, Vafa here. This tutorial is about importing photos into Adobe Lightroom. There are many different ways to import photos, but this is an easy and quick way to add a folder to your Lightroom library containing your photos. In this scenario, I'm going to add the raw photos import folder. This folder is on my desktop and contains 2 photos. When you have Lightroom open, make sure you are in the Libraries section, then click on the plus sign next to the folders and choose Add Folder. New File Explorer window pops up. Now navigate to the folder you would like to add. In this case, I choose Desktop and then select Raw Photos Import Folder and click on Choose. Now you can see photos that are soon being imported. A new folder under your computer hard drive is created, which is a reference to or pointer to your actual file sitting on desktop. It means that if you remove them from your Lightroom, they are still available under File Explorer at the same location, of course. Under the library module, you have the option of viewing all of your photos or just one at a time. In order to apply edits, the best option is to change the module to develop, where you have access to many sliders. In my other tutorials, I explain how to edit different photos, but for now, just a quick hint that if you changed any value and you would like to undo your changes, either click Ctrl Z on your keyboard or double click on the title of the slider you changed or the slider head itself. Imagine you have downloaded more photos from your camera and would like to edit them in Lightroom too. Now what? I will copy and paste 2 new photos to show you how it works. In Lightroom, go to the Library module again, select the folder you would like to add more photos into and right click and select Synchronize Folder. A new pop-up window shows you the number of new photos. Just click on Synchronize and you get to choose your new photos. In this case, there are 2 new photos and I make sure to select both of them. I then click Import and the new photos are there. First, you only see the new photos, but the number of existing photos is now being updated. And when you click on the folder, then all photos, in this case 4, will be listed. That was how you add photos and folders to your Lightroom library. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe if you liked my video. And check out my other tutorials to learn how to edit your already imported photos. See you next time.